In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Shopify. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes, so grab your computer and let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Calendly website. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the event type you wish to share on your Shopify store. This could be a meeting, an appointment, or any other event you've set up in Calendly. Go ahead and select the specific event type and make sure everything is set just how you want it. Customizing your event beforehand ensures your visitors will get the full experience you've intended. After selecting the event, look for the Share menu. Click on it, and from the available options, choose Add to Website. This will offer different integration possibilities, but for our purpose today, select the pop-up widget option. This choice is great because it provides a non-intrusive way for visitors on your Shopify store to access your Calendly scheduler. Once you've selected the pop-up widget, you'll see a widget code appear. Take a moment to copy this code, as we'll need it in just a second. Now, let's switch gears and head over to your Shopify admin page. You can do this by logging into your Shopify store. Once you're in, search for the Online Store option on the left-hand menu. This tab is where all your website's themes and settings reside. Click it to proceed. Here, you'll see your active theme displayed. This is the theme currently being used by your online store. To proceed with adding your Calendly widget, click on Actions next to your active theme, then select Edit Code. Don't worry if you haven't done this before. It's about to make perfect sense. In the code editor, we need to find the layout file that includes the tag. This is typically labeled something like theme.liquid. The section of your page's HTML is where we'll be inserting the Calendly widget code you copied earlier. With the correct file open, place your cursor inside the tag area. It's best to add your code just before the closing tag to ensure it loads correctly on your store. Go ahead and paste the Calendly widget code right there. Once you've done that, make sure to save your changes. Saving is crucial, so don't miss this step. After saving, your Calendly widget should now be live on your Shopify store, ready to be accessed by visitors looking to book time with you. And that's it. You've successfully added a Calendly scheduler to your Shopify site, enhancing the way you interact with your customers right from your store's interface. Remember to test it out by visiting your store as a customer would, ensuring everything is functioning properly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy this new seamless way to manage appointments directly through your Shopify store.